Okay. Hey, what's up, everyone? Okay. Now, we're gonna... The FCC is gonna commence a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. Now, during the test, I will, show you... I'll turn different channels so that, so that you can see that every single channel is gonna do a test for about 1 minute. So
strategic thinkers dedicated.
I got satellite radio on there. Duran Duran is on Sirius satellite radio. 80's on 8 at this time. And this is our local TV station right now. So, 2 minutes away. Okay, I'm going to turn the channels. During the test, you will, this is a nationwide coordinated test of the emergency alert system. The weather channel is have a local radar on right now, and
There's going to be a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This is the first ever nationwide test of the system. During it, you will hear an audio message interrupting all TV and radio stations, including Minnesota Public Radio News. The test is scheduled to last around 45 seconds. After the test, we'll get you back to the news and Talk of the Nation. And of course, remember, this is only a test. Nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
From NPR News in Washington, I'm Lakshmi Singh.
well, that was short. That wasn't much. Oh, here it is.
You'll be able to see our treatment results from
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. There is no actual emergency.
weapons program. And in return, the international community would be ready to
test of the emergency alert system. This was only a test. There is no actual emergency. Programming on KMSP Fox 9 will begin momentarily.
I guess some channels around here had the test. I had satellite radio on here on my bed on there, so I heard the music temporarily be interrupted, so that must have been on all satellite, most satellite radio channels too. I don't know why some channels that I seen didn't still had movies. I'm gonna check the what's it? Ion TV. Oh, some channels are late.
We need to call the rest of the super readers. Say, calling all super readers. Calling all super readers.
Well, there you go. Let's see if there are any. Okay. This TV was on CNN, so this little TV right here was on CNN, so seemed like they didn't participate in the test. So that was nothing, I guess. So it was pretty short. Maybe on some YouTube videos you can probably find that test it lasted only 45 seconds. All you might need to do is to do a search on YouTube's website. Put keywords nationwide EAS test. You'll probably get lots of hits on that, so okay. Well, thanks for watching, and as you've seen, I checked some cable channels, and some channels had movies on it, so thanks for watching. See you later.